Hi friends! Today I want to share the coloring process with my multicolor brush set for PROCREATE. I have the outlines of a moth that you can download for free. I've already filled it with one even color and I did it on a separate layer. Before coloring, I activate Drawing Assist and Alpha Lock. I want a very light green for the background. I will be coloring with just one brush today. The multicolor brush set has 4 brushes, and they are very easy to use. Let's start with light blue. This brush can be layered to achieve more saturated colors. It changes colors as you move your pen, so you don't need to switch between shades constantly. The base layer is desaturated. I like it because it will help to layer colors better. I go to Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, and drag the saturation to the max. I select a bright purple shade and use it for the body and for the eye details on the wings. Occasionally I switch to darker shades to get a different brush color variety. Let's add the shadows to the wings. I forgot to activate the Alpha Lock, so I went back to the layer and turned it on. I add shadows to the fold of the wings and outline the body of the moth. Let's select dark red and fill the wings segments. I follow the line of the drawing, changing the brush pressure. This brush is pressure sensitive, and the thickness of lines depends on how much pressure you apply. As you layer the colors, it looks more and more like stained glass. I love this effect. Let's select bright pink. It has a prominent rainbow effect. I switch to a bright green to change the color variety. And it's done! I want to add shadow to make the moth look more dimensional. I duplicate the color layer underneath all other layers and fill it with brown. I turn the other layers back on, click the Select tool, and drag the shadow down. Then I go to Adjustments and use Gaussian blur. I drag the pen to the right to blur the shadow. I don't blur it too much. Then I adjust the transparency and move it a bit up. I decided to change the color of the shadow to a more cool-toned purple. As a final touch, I duplicate the main color layer and change its mode to achieve a higher contrast of the colors. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the process. Have a great day.